Jeff, Tommy, I'm impressed with the door. What about you guys?
Oh
Very
my gosh,
impressed.
just lift it.
Heavy door?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably about 90 pounds.
I would say 90 pounds.
So the extra weight's going to make you think about how to hang the door a little bit differently, and I can tell from the flashing lights on me that you think about hanging doors a little bit different from Tom Silva, who's used to a plumb bob.
Yep.
But you seem to be a laser guy.
Well, we're going to step it up and use a little bit more technology and use a laser to plumb our opening here.
Hey, my laser never goes bad.
It never
and I
runs
don't
out of
ever need
batteries.
So what's your process, Jeff?
So the first thing I did is I created a story pole locating the hinged locations onto this from the door.
Okay.
Now, and I want to think about the weight of this door. We're going to install it the same, but we're going to use a longer screw and we're going to use a solid shim instead of a adjustable cedar shim. In this case, we're plumb, so we're going to go with 1/4 inch, and that way we're roughly centered in the opening.
And when we put that jamb tight to those fillers, that will be plumb. But the next thing we have to check is the header to see if it's level. And how's that look, Kevin?
I'd come up a little more on that left side. Right there is good.
Okay. And we'll do the same thing down near the bottom.
So we're going to take one more step, and we're going to remove one of the smaller screws and replace it with a longer screw, same style, stainless steel. That way we get right into the jack stud.
You got your hinge pins?
I got them.
All right. Good. All right, you ready to shim the other side?
Yep.
All right, that's good. Let me get mine in.
All right, that's good reveal right there.
Okay, let me tack it.
All right.
Okay. Nice.
So
All
we've
right,
got
that's
ourselves
good.
a solid, maybe 90-pound door and just swings effortlessly. That is nice.
Right. All we're
Man.
going to do now is cut off the shims, and it's ready for the casing.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.